And today, immerse yourself in the world of photography with the Sony Cybershot DSC-RX10 Mark IV 20MP digital camera. Marvel at the precision of its 20 megapixel sensor and the versatility of its 24 to 600 millimeter equivalent f2.4 zoom lens. Be astounded by the speed and accuracy of its 315-point phase detection autofocus system, and prepare to be blown away by its impressive 24 frames per second burst shooting. Intrigued yet? Let's move on to the unboxing. Now comes the exciting part, unboxing this masterpiece. The moment you open the box, you're greeted with the Sony Cybershot DSC-RX10 Mark IV, nestled securely in its packaging. The packaging itself is sleek and minimalist, making the unboxing experience feel like unwrapping a premium gift. As you lift the camera out of the box, you'll notice its substantial weight and sturdy build quality. Sony has clearly put a lot of thought into the design of this camera with its robust yet elegant construction. There's a certain allure to it, a blend of sophistication and function that's hard to resist. But the camera is not the only treasure in the box. Beneath it, you'll find a compact battery, a charger, and a strap for easy carrying. There's also a detailed manual ensuring you have all the information you need to start capturing breathtaking images right away. And let's not forget the cable, your essential link for transferring those spectacular shots to other devices. The Sony Cybershot DSC-RX10 Mark IV strikes a balance between robustness and style. It's a camera that feels good in your hands, with a substantial grip that allows for confident handling. The design is aesthetically pleasing, with a sleek black finish and intuitive layout of buttons and dials. Unboxing this camera is already an experience. Now let's dive into the review. Time to get up close and personal with the Sony Cybershot DSC-RX10 Mark IV. This camera is a powerhouse. It performs exceptionally well, providing stunning image quality with a 20 megapixel sensor. Key features include an amazing autofocus system that's swift and precise, capturing moments in the blink of an eye. The camera's ease of use is impressive. Its intuitive design makes it accessible to both beginners and seasoned photographers. The zoom lens is a standout feature, offering versatile range and impressive sharpness. For those action shots, the burst shooting mode is a game changer, firing off images at a rapid pace without compromising on quality. Of course, no camera is without its drawbacks. The Sony Cybershot DSC-RX10 Mark IV, while feature-loaded, does come with a hefty price tag. But if you're after a camera that delivers superior performance and versatility, it's well worth the investment. The Sony Cybershot DSC-RX10 Mark IV truly stands out in the world of digital cameras. That's a wrap on the Sony Cybershot DSC-RX10 Mark IV. From its robust 20 megapixel performance to its versatile range, it's a fitting choice for both casual snappers and seasoned photographers. Enjoyed the video? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this one.